सबसे पहले मैं कहने वाली हूँ एक गाने की लाइन, गाने की गुस्ताखी करने वाली हूँ। मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान ये क्या हो गया है। Yes, the boys that you remember when you listen to this, the band of boys, उसमें से बहुत ही प्यारे एंड हमारे चहीते चिंटू भोसले हमारे साथ लाइव होने वाले हैं ऑन दिस वेरी स्पेशल बैंडोबस लाइव। आई एम बैक। हेलो हेलो, नमस्ते, नमस्कार, ढेर सारा प्यार। मैं हूँ अदा आपके साथ एंड यस, दिस इज अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ बैंडोबस दैट्स गोना बी विद चिंटू भोसले जी एंड आई एम गोना वेट फॉर हिम टू जॉइन and we're going to have a lovely session with him. बहुत सारी उनकी beautiful associations भी हैं म्यूजिक को लेकर, बहुत सारी you know उनके point of views भी हैं which I am dying to listen to because just like him I am a huge divana of amazing melodious music. Is this looking good, guys? खुला अच्छा था कि ये अच्छा है? I don't know. Tell me now. नहीं लग रहा। Okay, so we're gonna get him live. Love him. Oh, he must have seen me setting up all my messy hair. What a way to start the evening. Hi.
Hello. Hi, RJ Ada.
Oh my God.
You're looking very beautiful, I must
Good
say.
to see you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
वाह. If I had known, I would have worn suit boot पहन के आता. Such a beautiful date on a Thursday evening.
I know, right? And there's music.
And there's music. There's always music. Even though it's Happy Doctor's Day to everybody. Let's say hi to all your guys coming in. There is Shiva, there's Sahib Kumar Singh, there's Shantanu, and hello everybody. It's a lovely Thursday evening. I don't know where you are, but I'm in this hill station. और बाहर मतलब बादल, clouds, cold weather. Where are you based?
This is also a sign of Katti.
I know. हम भी अभी छोटे हैं.
This is not fair. You can't be talking about, I don't know where you are, but I'm in a hill station. ये हंसी वादियाँ, ये खुला आसमां, आ गए हम गाँव में भी जाने का। ऐसे नहीं allowed नहीं है।
ये खुला आसमां, आय हाय, that is पकोड़े निकालो, चाय वाय निकालो, बातें करते हैं।
I'm in Mumbai right now, where Mumbai की बारिशें भी बहुत अच्छी होती हैं। Just
होती है, पर जब मैं निकला, एक्चुअली मैं आज सुबह निकला, it was very bright and sunny. Has it changed yet or no? Or is it still bright and sunny?
No.
That is the heat with you looking so nice. That is the heat over here, huh?
Oh my God, how are we going to survive?
I tell you, I will start off by dedicating this beautiful song, my most favorite Bando Boys song, to RJ Ada live.
क्या बात है?
And it goes, चाहा तुझे है, चाहा से भी ज्यादा.
Everybody, come on.
तू ही मेरा प्यार गोरी, तू ही मेरा प्यार, पाल तुझे तो पालू जग सारा. तू ही मेरा प्यार अदा, तू ही मेरा प्यार, तू ही मेरा प्यार अदा, तू ही मेरा प्यार. याद है वो नदिया किनारे, पंजाबरन को आना, लहरों की हरकतें गोरी, हल्के से वो घबराना, नाजुक पैरों का तेरे एकदम से फिसल जाना, मेरी बाहों में तेरा गिरना, धीरे से शर्माना. चाहा तुझे है, चाहा से भी ज्यादा, तू ही मेरा प्यार अदा, तू ही मेरा प्यार. वाह.
हो गया इंटरव्यू, हो गया. अब मुझे और क्या
हो गया ना. चलो जी, where are we meeting tonight? बस वही बोल रहा है.
आप तो हिल स्टेशन में बैठे हो।
बॉम्बे में ना आता हूँ It's only 5 hours away. Don't worry. We will get the monsoons.
Oh,
there.
5 hours
Sawan.
away. You're around either Karjat, Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar, Alibag. Where are you?
अबे अलीबाग is
Alibag.
not a hill station रे.
अरे हाँ, it's a
Panchkuni.
beach
Panchkuni.
station.
It's a beach
Panchkuni.
station. Yes. Okay, so
Yes,
hi
but
everybody. Gautam,
yeah.
Devraj, Masha.
Let me introduce you यार, मुझे बोलने तो दो ऐसे, मतलब ऐसे सबको
Sorry,
वेलकम तो करने दो यार।
आज ये हुआ था. I used to
Yes.
say RJ, so I'm so sorry. Please go ahead.
That's all right. I loved how you took over. Everybody जो हमारे साथ शामिल हुए हैं and जो नहीं भी हुए हैं, जो ये लाइव को बाद में देख रहे हैं, देखने वाले हैं, welcome to Bandobas Live with me, Ada. That is the super energetic Chintu Bhosle, जो कि
Continue background
explore कर
music, rock
चुके
and
हैं.
roll, हाँ.
Yes, I love it. He's been a part of the Bando Boys, one of our favorite boys band ever. And of course, उसके अलावा ये गुरु and educationist है at Fatado School of Music. Oh my God! यार ऐसे गुरु मतलब तो कोई भी हो जाए शुरू anytime, anywhere. How you been, Chintu ji?
But this is what music is all about, Ada. This is the whole fundamental music का ये है कि you must, it's an expression, it's an emotion. ब्रेकअप हुआ है, म्यूजिक बजाओ, गाना लिखो, न्यू रिलेशनशिप शुरू किया है, गाना लिखो, इतना मस्त इमोशन है. The concept of music is emoting through song, right? Or when people start learning music, most of them are like, बहुत ही it's a very exciting looking profession. It's a very exciting, stage पे जाओ, rockstar बनो, बहुत प्यार मिलेगा, बहुत पैसा मिलेगा, बहुत कुछ मिलेगा लाइफ में. But when you start learning music, the problem is a lot of people have the wrong teachers to teach you because it's a very difficult subject to learn. It's like learning, I don't know, Chinese or Japanese, because it's a new language.
Or even Malayalam for that matter. Oh my God.
But with learning to read a new language, yani ki notation, this is a semi-breve, this is a minim, this is a crotchet, this is a quaver, you are also learning to play. So yani ki the beauty of learning music is it's one of the only subjects in the world which uses your right and your left hemisphere, and they both work in coordination with each other. So it actually makes your mind a lot stronger. You can Google this, huh? I'm not just लगाएं. तो
यार गुरु हैं यार आप, you teach यार, come on.
हाँ, तो मतलब ये फंडामेंटल बोलना बहुत जरूरी है, because you know a lot of parents say क्या करेगा म्यूजिक करके. I said आप फिक्र मत करो. If you don't want to be a musician, in fact 99% people will not become a musician. You become a doctor, become a lawyer, become a radio jockey, but keep music close to your heart, because the peace it gives you, the amount of synapses it actually connects in your brain, it is superb. Yani ki first class. So this is the first step towards learning music, of why a parent should kind of invest in their child for them to learn music. And the next thing to do is you must get a very good teacher, because a teacher can make it fun and a teacher can kill it for you. Yani ke it's like learning math. A good teacher will absolutely rock mathematics for you. I had a terrible teacher. I almost failed because of maths. CBSE में 55 मिला था math में. Hi Ram, but math में थोड़ा music है, unfortunately. My percentage came down from 85 to 70 thanks to mathematics. देखो जी, अच्छा टीचर मिलना कितना जरूरी है लाइफ में.
That is true. I agree. I totally agree.
And so to learn music, it's all about the energy. I truly feel that, and at the Fatado School of Music, we try to get our teachers to give you a great class. Yani ke the fundamental of teaching is it's not just theory. ये है, ये करने का, वो करने का. Because most people want to learn music to sing a song. Nobody ever says, I've not met any musician, to be very honest, who grows up and says, Ada, बड़ा होके मुझे एक टीचर बनना है. नहीं होता है. Most people get into music to express themselves, and through expression then you realize that, my God, I can make other people feel the same way. And that's how you actually move into teaching, because you want to pay it forward and you want to get them to do it. We actually try and make this a very interactive, very fun. Because जो भी बनो life में, boss musician बनो, we'll have more people like us. And Ada will have more people who will make music so you can play it on your radio station.
Yeah. There is a beautiful comment down here. Sahib Kumar Singh said, "We all on board Fatado's music teachers. We miss you. Special teaching tips. Your teaching tips. Thanks for
Sahib, we
everything."
I have trained him. I think he's from Delhi, and I do a lot of training sessions with teachers on how to make teaching fun. And in the Fatado School of Music, we train them on how to make the subject very fun. So yes, Sahib, how are you?
Yeah, he's also said he's awesome. His teaching, his new ideas. Oh, fish, awesome. My God, this guy's head over heels.
Okay, go fish.
That is so kind.
Says, bye G. Somebody comes look like restaurant owner. Okay, I don't know what he's saying. RG Ayush official has joined. Hello G. We are in the middle of a. I just break into song,
Yes. Yes, let's do a song. Yes, of course, break into it.
Okay, so this was a song, my first solo Bando Boys, while the Bando Boys was going on, and this is a song called Pyar Khush Naseeb. So I'll just give you a little bit of rock and roll is it for me, because rock and roll has a very strong inherent energy. कहते हैं दिल दे ना रोको रोको, कहते हैं दिल से ना सोचो सोचो, वो निकलो ये ख्वाबों की दुनिया से, झूठी ये प्यार की दास्तां है। बागों में खुशबू भीनी भीनी, प्यार के मिठास की चीनी चीनी, बागों में खुशबू भीनी भीनी, प्यार के मिठास की चीनी चीनी, दिल मेरा ये गुनगुनाए, प्यार खुश नसीब। You can do it. And that was the song. The song was called Pyar Khush Naseeb. My grandmother Asha ji and me sang this, and it was all about लोग बोलते हैं कि बकवास है, कुछ नहीं होगा, प्यार में मत घुसो, मत फंसो, और इसे जिसको प्यार मिल ही जाता है ना, वो खुश नसीब होता है. And that was this whole song, Pyar Khush Naseeb. Yes, I am just talking and not letting you ask any questions.
No. I'm loving it. I'm loving you taking over. But please tell us. I mean, every Bano Boys fan wants to know. Even when I said that this is happening, I had a couple of messages saying, "Oh my God, Bano Boys." So, how did Bano Boys happen? ये आप संक्षेप में या अपने way में please बताएं.
No, so Bando Boys, it was a very private audition. Leslie Lewis, Hariharan, and the promoter, a gentleman called Vinod Nair, got together and said, "Yaar, ek boy band shuru karte hain. India doesn't have this concept." So I remember मुझे एक phone call आया था, and instantly I said no. Because I was in a rock band, हम rock गाने बजाते थे, हम metal बजाते थे, तो किसी ने बोला कि boy band में तुझे शामिल होना है. I said no, बिल्कुल नहीं. Because boy bands in those days we used to look and say, बाप रे, how embarrassing. तो मैंने
How mean.
No, but I didn't like boy bands. In fact, I had actually met Boyzone. And I actually turned away. I was like, "Arey baap re, who wants to meet these, boys trying to look so like cool and all that."
You boys
Singer hai yaar, musician to nahi hai na. तो मन में वही था. तो I remember I was forced to the audition. My brother told me, "Don't be a fool. तू क्या कर रहा है life में?" I had just quit my job at that point. So I remember drinking till 4 in the morning. I wanted to really fail that audition, but I went for it. And गिटार लेके गाया, फिर उन्होंने बोला अभी नाचो. I said नाचो मतलब? He said you have to dance, you have to see how you move. I said I'm not going to dance, are you mad? So I jumped off stage and I was running, and they got somebody to hold me back. They put me back on stage. They got some girls to dance with me to see how it was so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing. But having then joined the band, oh my God, it has been such an awesome ride. totally changed my perspective. तो रियाज करते थे, जिम जाते थे, नाचते थे, गाते थे, साथ में गाना बनाते थे. Shows जो हमने किए हैं, we've done shows with auto rickshaw walas, we've done shows with only women for a hen's night in a discotheque where we wore bathrobes and we sang. We've done shows for college students. This was before we launched, to understand कि हमारा vibe कैसा है, and you know we were actually in training at that point. And
Right.
then we launched this ये वाला गाना. I'll sing it as a love song. It went like this. मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है. मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है. मुझे आस हो गई है, तुझे पास अपने कर लूं, तेरी हर अदा को समझूं और चाहतों में भर लूं. एक अजनबी से जाना तू खास हो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है. ओ यारा आजा मेरी बाहों में आ, ओ यारा आजा मेरी बाहों में आ. मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है, ये क्या हो गया है, ये क्या हो गया है. मेरी नींद. That was love to energy, back to love. And after we launched this song, there was no looking back.
Oh my god.
Hello, Moon Rajbal. I'm sorry, I'm just saying hello to everybody. Prakash, Masha, Devalina, Vijay Pal. Wow, wow, wow. Such music lovers are
My
here.
producer Ria is also there and saying that loving this song, and she was also dying to listen to Meri Neem.
Yay! This is the version you'll never hear. Live version, guitar के साथ.
That's true.
जो mood चाहे.
That is true.
time में बजाने का.
Yes, and I want to tell everybody, please, if you want to listen to this, it's going to be saved on the Radio Nasha page. उसे please share करें, उसे please सुने, because this energy, I wish I could tuck it and take it, because normally ऐसे बोलते हैं मुझे तो आधा video with this energy from like Ella. Share को सबा share.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that's a miracle.
Oh my god! All right.
Okay, you have to tell me. I mean, you are associated with music. You are from a family of, I mean, legends in music and everything. When आपको music से प्यार कब हुआ? Like, I really want to know. What was your instant connection with music?
It from childhood I was very clear कि मुझे बहुत music नहीं करना है as a career. मुझे music करना है as a serious hobby. So I graduated in commerce. I did my MBA from NMIMS, the then number 3 management college in India. You know, this is 97. I'm that old. So 97 I graduated from management. And then I joined advertising. काम करने के बाद I was doing music throughout. I was in a choir in school. I had a rock band in college. The rock band and all was, of course, music to thai, but it helped with the girls. But anyway, that's a story for a different time. So
Yeah.
I did music throughout. It was always a part of me. And advertising join करने के बाद 1-1.5 साल काम करने के बाद I realized, boss, there's more to life. You know, music is calling. Chahe flop ho, hit ho, it doesn't matter. You know, you just gotta follow that passion. And वो journey में सफर करते, you know, I've hit such a beautiful spot with teaching music, because shows तो चलता रहता है. You know, now with my grandmom Ashley, I'm doing lots of shows with her also. अभी तो थोड़ा खैर बंद हुआ है. With Bando Boys there are shows, solo shows, compositions तो चालू ही है. But teaching music has been such a superb journey, because now you're passing it on. You know, you're just passing it on. And if somebody ever asked me, okay, would you ever teach music? And I would have laughed at you and said, boss, what drug are you on? but I think the drug
No,
I
I'd like
am
to ask
on.
that to you.
Sorry.
I'd like to ask that same question to you.
The drug I am on is music.
By sending
Yeah.
love to Panchgani from BIS Rockstars Mumbai.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
Hi.
Abuzar. Hello. He's also a fabulous
Hi,
singer.
Abuzar.
You must interview Abuzar also. He started his music
Hey,
journey a little
Abuzar.
late in life.
As on
But
you.
yeah, so Ada will reach out to you, or Abuzar, you reach out to RJ, to the radio station
Ada.
Nasha.
The other.
And he sings beautifully love songs. So jab barish ho rahi hai na, reach out to him. He will like woo all your listeners. Superb.
Oh
Anyway,
my
so
God! Right now you're wooing us, Guruji. telling about you being a guru at Potato School of Music. Yes. So
yeah, so then
there is
my
one thing that
teaching
I'm reading in the
actually
comments. I'm
started.
sorry.
हाँ.
आपके टिप्स आपके every initially भी जो कह रहे थे टिप्स बहुत अच्छे देते हैं उनके what is his tips and advice, what is it that people are divana about, what do you do, what do you give them tips,
From
हमें भी
the
बताओ.
teaching perspective, I'll tell you how the teaching actually started. You know, a lot of my, in fact,
जी.
Abuzar's son also, I've had the pleasure of doing a brief session with him. But it started with my friends who had kids, and they said, Chintu, what should a child learn? Yeah, guitar sikhao, keyboard sikhao, drum sikhao, vocal sikhao. How do you know what the child wants to learn? And I said, boss, at this age, I still want to learn the tabla, the trumpet, the saxophone. Matlab, how can you box a child? So they said, what do we do? So I said, you know what, let me start off. I will take some sessions with your kids. So I taught them a little bit of the keyboard, little bit of the guitar, little bit of vocals, little bit of writing songs, little bit of the tabla. And uske baad, the child would tell you, कि Mama, I like the guitar. I've played it. It's not hawa mein कि मैंने किसी को देखा है that they are playing it. And taking that concept, they would then move into an instrument that they would actually like to learn. And we actually gotten this concept into the Fatadu School of Music, and it's called our Discover a Course, where you don't need to buy an instrument. You don't need, because when you don't know what you want to learn, how can you buy something, right? And a lot of parents will tell you, "Ke kharida hai." Now that keyboard is an ironing board, वो गिटार ऐसा ही पड़ा है, वो हारमोनियम is become a paperweight, कोई इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. So my thing is, don't buy the instrument until you are really kind of certain कि हाँ मुझे ये सीखना है. And doing
तो इधर
this,
पहले क्यों नहीं मिले मुझे?
अभी मिलते हैं, अभी करते हैं म्यूजिक.
नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने गिटार खरीदा था.
चलो निकालो जी. Let us start our first music class. खरीदा था और पढ़ा है. Just like that.
नहीं है. मैंने बहुत किया. मैंने उससे खून तक नहीं, वो सूजन तक आया था. ऑलमोस्ट खून तक आया. उसके देन आई स्टॉप मतलब वो किसी वजह से एक प्रैक्टिस छुट्टी, दूसरी छुट्टी.
टीचर था, सेल्फ टॉट.
क्या
टीचर
नहीं, मैं हाँ टिंग 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 ऐसा वो पूरा वो
plucking.
But yes, plucking. I was doing plucking.
No, but a teacher would make it much more fun. That is the point. A teacher will know how to. Now when you get bored, your fingers get tired. Then we do some like listening exercises, sight reading exercises. Then your fingers have refreshed. Then we get back to playing. So all that is part of the whole teaching process, really. And so this Discover a Course is something. वहाँ से I started teaching so much. Then a school called me. फिर मैं एक school में जाता था, and I used to teach over there. But the problem was why I had to stop it, because of traveling, shows. The boring life of an artist. Plane पकड़ो, जाओ, गाओ, party करो, plane पकड़ो, वापस आ जाओ. Oh God, so boring. So I used to unfortunately miss a lot of classes.
ये boring है.
हाँ, बोलना पड़ता है. I know. Like, थोड़ा sarcasm डालना पड़ता है उसमें. उसके ऊपर एक गाना भी बनाएंगे एक दिन. The boring life of an artist. So I stopped teaching because regularity is very important in a student's life, and I realized I could not give a student that. So then Fatado School of Music, we launched a Hindustani vocal curriculum. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं हम लोग. It's very, 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 very important. I beg all of you, learn music. Just learn music, because It keeps you as young looking as RJ Ada.
And you. It's not just the shakal, but also the akal. So you're someone who puts so much of energy, which is amazing. Like, look at you. But there are people, really, you don't make it look boring, is what Mishka Bhosle says.
Oh, thank you, Mishka Bhosle. Now that surname gives it away. Must be related to me. नहीं नहीं fan है नहीं I don't know. Wow, same surname. Wow, what a fan. What a fan.
कुछ तो.
That is my daughter, Mishka Bhosle.
Hi, Mishka.
When you try to teach your own kids, na, they don't appreciate. मैं दुनिया को सिखा सकता हूँ, अपने बेटे बेटी को नहीं सिखा सकता. Because नहीं, क्यों नहीं करना है? तो ऐसे बाबा आप तुम ही सीखो अपने आप. So she's actually playing the ukulele.
Why like that, Mishka?
Why like that, Mishka? बोलो. That could be laughter or tears of sadness. You never know.
Chintu is a live wire, is what I was like. Hello, I totally agree. You have to make your Insta ID also as like Chintu live wire Bhosle, like something like that.
नहीं. Then you can always जब light जाता है ना, then you call me. Just connect into an electrical socket.
Listen. I read in one of your interviews you were saying कि something about, like, see, there was World Music Day recently. I go live with a lot of artists, and being someone who myself I'm so connected with music. मतलब अलग ही level है मेरा, अलग ही emotional level है. So when I read about you that you somewhere feel that the heritage in music is lost, or that kind of a connect is lost. तो आप किस तरह का music miss कर रहे हैं? And anything you want to sing and
no, I just
sing any of your favorite tracks.
From an India perspective, I meet a lot of students who say, singer बनना है, पर Indian vocal वाला हिंदुस्तानी वाला हमें नहीं सीखना है. And they say क्योंकि बहुत boring है, वो तानपुरा का आवाज लेके वो now. It's a beautiful sound for us, but बच्चों के लिए तो in that sense, I feel we lose a lot because itna culture hai, heritage hai apna singing mein, that it's children just want to move on to other Western stuff because it's much more fun, much more cooler. It's not cool to sit with the tanpura and go sa. वो मजा नहीं आता है ना. So the idea was to introduce it in a fun way and keep the heritage as much as possible so that students can understand rags, they can understand the emotion. रात को गाओ, सुबह गाते हैं ये, क्यों गाते हैं, क्या होता है ये गाने से, लगता कैसे,
Correct.
So that's what I've always felt that. And we need to infuse a new style using the old material. And that's what I've felt. That's what we're trying to change. And that's what we've been doing, per se. And I think it's working. Because, you cannot teach in the 1920s style in 2020. कोई नहीं सुनने वाला है. अपना नहीं सुनता है. Music कौन सुनेगा? Classical going out of style. The West appreciates it more because, oh, it's India. Wow, that's so cute.
India, wow,
yoga.
I like the music.
So we are changing it, and we need to move with the times. A lot of teachers will say, "Nahi, how I have learned, you will learn that way. If I sat for 10 hours, you will sit for 10 hours. Goodbye, thank you, koi nahi aane wala hai." So that's what I meant by heritage and by culture, that we need to repackage. पूरा दुनिया में सब लोग करते हैं, but यहाँ पे they are a little more rigid. We say, "नहीं, अभी मत करो. The way it must be." So I urge teachers to change that thought and that perspective. You asked me, my most favorite song, obviously, is something that I have written, and it's called Coming Home. We've done it in 5 languages. Friends have helped me write this.
Yeah.
It's about that person or place or feeling in your life where you feel the most safe, the most loved, the most secure, and that's what coming home means. Right? So it goes like this. सूनी राहें गुनगुनाए तेरी यादों में वो बहक से नैन पुकारे Baby, I'm coming home. If you're Bengali, মনের পথ নিয়ে চলে আমায় প্রেমে ঘেরা সে ঠিকানায় হারানো সুর মেলনে রং ছড়ায় Baby, I'm coming home. If you are from Karnataka, आधार के ना हो गुए ओटी अल्लाह अल्लीना धनी रमन बुकुनी अल्ली Baby, I'm coming home. If you are Maharashtrian, साऱ्या निराशा क्लेश वेदना विसरतो मी तिथे तिच्या पंखाच्या मऊबेला असुसला मी इथे इथं गुजराती मन गणतन थकन विसरे दिवस मारो शमे पलक पाके वाटडी ज्योती ज्या म्हणे तू मळे And if you're foreigner, there's a place where I love to go. It's where I'm never alone. You can rest your soul when you're weary and cold. Baby, I'm coming home. La 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 la. Baby, I'm coming home.
Hoy, hoy, hoy. I was waiting for
बस
Punjabi.
हाँ इतना पैसा में इतना ही मिलेगा पंजाबी के लिए
सुनो पंजाबी सुनो
पंजाब में बहुत पैसा है ना पंजाब वर्जन के लिए पैसा चाहिए
हाँ क्या अच्छा ठीक है नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग वो करेंगे
यस
अच्छा there are some beautiful comments also please
Oh, yes.
okay Debalina says you talk so much आज ही पता चला listen he doesn't talk he is like some animation and action like
I am just reflecting you man shitting and doing my daughter also does no exactly like that
no
oh my god she has a twin sister
Hi Mishka, I think we have to meet. Honey, do you want to come live? Hemadri says, a band of boys, Gori, Meri Neend. I rediscovered all these songs a few months back and it brought me pure nostalgia.
Oh,
Like seriously, it is nostalgia.
It is. You know, I sing it all the time on stage, wherever we go, and it's so much fun. There's so many memories, and genuinely the great independent days of music. By independent music, I mean, you know, non-film music.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
What beautiful time. And like, channels would support you, radio stations would support you, the audience got to listen to you, and if they hated you, fire bun. But if they loved you, oh, it was so good. Pata nahi yaar, aa jayega वापस एक दिन. I will be on a rocking chair with a stick and saying, मेरी नींद उड़ गई है,
मेरा पेट दुख रहा है.
Right. Anyway,
no, listen,
is,
how can we not talk about Asha ji? How can we not?
We can. I was going to say today is Happy Doctors Day. And on that note, the doctors likhte hai na, on that note, that on that prescription, we must wish them.
We'll wish them in the way they write, no?
Correct.
Now you figure what we said. Now you figure it.
You figure. Only unfortunately, if they don't understand, it's okay. If we don't understand what they write, you're probably going to be constipated the next day. So it's important to understand.
Yeah,
so
true.
yeah.
So yes, on that note, what do you want to say?
No, just that, you know, we've also done a lot of lovely sessions with the nurses from Masina Hospital and from the Global Hospital, and we're doing a session today with the doctors from Masina Hospital too, because we need to spread a lot of happiness. We need to spread peace. We need to spread love. Music does that. So music is lovely. That's all I wanted to say.
Yeah, that is it is lovely. Happy Doctors Day, people are saying. Mishka says, in fact, today itself we were listening to some of Dad's old songs, some of his favorites.
हाँ, वो 5 घंटे का जर्नी था ना from Bombay to Panjgani. So I said I have a captive audience, and my kids are like Hamilton, Lin-Manuel Miranda, सुनते रहते हैं. I said तेरा बाप भी एक सिंगर है, उसका भी गाना सुनो.
That please, that's like
No, whatever, however, no. Correct. You
that
and her are
please,
sisters.
you don't know.
You don't know. Anyways,
Coming to Guwahati, Devalina asked.
Devalina, I have done some 8 shows in Guwahati. I love the audience there. They know their music. They love their music. They love rock. They love English. They love Hollywood. They love Bollywood. So it's a perfect place to practice at. But बुलाओगे तो आएंगे ना. हम तो फ्री में नहीं जाते. Only when RJ Adap was asking come
हाँ,
for free.
ये तो मुझे पंजाबी गाना भी नहीं गा रहे थे फ्री में. पंजाबी मतलब पंजाबी के लिए भी वो पैसा मांग रहे. देखो, Sharma ji is here saying hey Chintu. Gaurav Sharma is here.
Hello, Mr. Gaurav Sharma. Hello. My daughter said we didn't have a choice. Yes, you don't have a choice. You chose me as your parent. Now you will suffer because zindagi ek safar hai. Yes, and Mr. Sharma ji.
On every safar.
Huh?
नहीं बोलो. I hope what?
I hope the lockdown is treating all of you very well. We did a lovely session with Sharma ji during the heat of the lockdown. बहुत मजा आया था. उसके बाद we didn't hear from him only.
That's why he's here. Track now, full energy wala some nice fun track that you'd want to sing. No, G is also here.
Hi.
What should we sing?
Masha, I'll come to Russia. Why don't you help me write a Russian version? I would love to sing Coming Home in Russia. And Devalina says, मेरे घर में आ जाओ. हम तो आएंगे. आप बुलाओगे तो हम आएंगे. We will get Ada with us. We'll get Sharma ji with us also. थोड़ा publicity भी हो जाएगा. Radio पे. Nasha.
Nasha.
This is dance part.
Dance. Gungunane ka nasha. Gunne ka nasha. Sunane ka nasha.
Hey, last singer है. Sharma ji, singer है ये. That is why she looks so young. Singers look so young. Huh? Anyway, Nain Katari. Next session. You know, in showbiz we have this thing of leave them wanting for more. Never leave when they say बस हो गया यार. Okay, bye. अभी dinner के लिए जाना है. अभी हम नैन कटारी गाएंगे, but when you call us back, that way your subscribers will also increase. So true.
That is true, but then that way my also inquisitiveness increases, no?
हाँ ना, so you will call me back, then I'll say अभी manager के साथ बात करूँ और until manager बोल कितना पैसा.
No, but seriously, fun session, बहुत ही fun. We have to have one, some Asha ji kissa and a song, any Asha ji favorite song that you want to sing. Please.
We will do that. करना ही पड़ेगा. We'll come back. We'll come back and do.
We'll come back.
Done.
Okay, fine. We'll come back and do. Ada का favorite song. नियति ऐसा है कि अभी हम लोग list बनाएंगे और फिर हम देंगे, फिर come back जब होगा ना तभी हम करेंगे एकदम back to the back.
अभी हम टाटा गुड बाय बोलेंगे. टाटा गुड बाय. हाँ, इतना पैसे में
ऐसे बोलते हैं चिट्टू जी.
टाटा गुड बाय.
इतना पैसे में इतना मिलेगा. बाय द वे मैं पैसे दिया नहीं, मैं बहुत प्यार दिया. इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा बोल रहे आप.
I have to now get into Batman costume and do things in Panjgani.
Okay, so, Batman is sure to save the day.
Yeah, I'm totally
with us.
Sorry, I interrupted you. Go on. You are closing it. That's the best
No,
part.
nobody. It's like the lag की वजह से हो जाता है. One of the loveliest live show. My mom's commented that Bhupi. Hi, mommy. Okay.
Hello, Bhupi auntie. By calling her Bhupi auntie, I made myself young. See the strategy, देखो strategy.
I already knew it was a given. Hasta la vista baby भी बोल दिया देवलीना ने. Okay, so I really want to say my first ever session with you, so much fun. I mean, I don't know what to do of all this energy that's here. I'll have to dance it out. So
did you have a list of questions to ask me? एक list था? नहीं पूछा था?
इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा.
इतना ही मिलेगा, वही है. सब बोल दिया.
No, of course we want to talk about potatoes. We want to talk about Discover. We want to talk about your tips, your beginning music, and that's all that we wanted to touch upon in the beginning. And then later it was like, you took it over.
If you realized very intelligently, I plugged it all in. देखो.
That is true.
Wow.
Even before I could plug it, you plugged it in the next switch. Now what to do?
Somebody must be paying me a lot of money.
Please introduce me to somebody.
We all know who is not giving the money.
Oh, that we all know.
Okay, this is turning into a private party. So thank you everybody.
Yeah,
Masha, Dora, Devalina, Mishka. I will see you in 3 seconds, Mishka. But for the rest, see you.
Lovely seeing you, Mishka, too. Thanks so much. This was my first time and a crazy time with you, and hope to see you again, and lots of love and success and good health to you and everybody at home.
Bye.
Bye.
The fun part is I don't know how to disconnect, so you please disconnect for me.
I'll help you. So 1, 2. Thanks so much for joining this live. बड़ा ही मजा, बड़ा ही अलग सा, unique सा, and that was Chintu Bhosle. Of course, Bando Boys का ही हिस्सा रहे हैं, but he's also guru and educationist at Potado School of Music, and I really think I'll have to go to them to get back to my guitar and the hostla to do it. But thanks, yaar. You can meet me on my profile @RJAda8888. That's my ID. And of course, right here on Radio Nasha. I'm going to be saving this live because we need that energy. Take care, and happy Doctor's Day.